Here's the secret to pain-free knees. 10 minutes a day of targeted exercises curated by someone like me, a physiotherapist with 17 years of experience. Now, you may have already been told by your doctor or your surgeon that a knee replacement is in your future. But what if you could suffer less while you wait, or perhaps prevent the need for your surgery altogether? Now, here's the best part. Each week, there's new exercises to keep things fresh and engaged. We also meet up for a quick coaching call every week in order to help you get unstuck, stay motivated and on track, and make sure there's nothing stopping you from making the progress you need. So if you've tried random exercises, video tutorials from YouTube, or if you've given up completely and said your knees are too sore to do anything, give the Knee Relief Network membership a test. You can try it free for 7 days, and then you'll discover that with as little as 10 minutes a day, your knee pain could be a thing of the past. I look forward to seeing you inside there, and I know your knees will thank you.